Hello friends, today we are going to see the difference between black box and white box testing in software testing with 10 points. So first we will see the definition of black box and white box and followed by the difference between black box and white box testing. So the definition of black box testing is in which the internal structure or design or implementation of the item being tested is not known to the tester. That is, the code or program is hidden and nothing is known about it to the tester. When coming to white box testing, in which the internal structure or design or implementation of the item being tested is known to the tester. That is, the tester has knowledge about the internal structure or code or the program of the software. Second point, it is done by software testers and they don't have knowledge of implementation or is needed. But in white box, it is done by software developers and they have knowledge of implementation is required. So third point, it is functional test of the software. Functional test means testing the functionality of the software and structural test means testing the structure of the code. Fifth point, behavior testing of the software. Behavior testing is external behavior of the code or program. Logical testing is structure testing when it is applied to the structure. Example, control flow graph of an implementation. Sixth point, it is also called as closed testing. Why it is called as closed testing? Because the tester cannot able to see the coding or internal structure. So it is called as closed testing. It is called as clear box testing. When it comes to clear box, the code will be visible and testing will be done in the coding part. So seventh point, it is least time consuming because it is external structure testing. So testing the external structure won't take much time. But in white box, we have to test each and every line of the coding. So it will take more time. 8th point, not preferred for algorithm testing. This structure don't have coding, so we don't need the algorithm test. But white box testing need algorithm because it is coding based testing. So the 9th point is can be done by trial and error ways and methods. Here, data domains along with inner or internal boundaries can be better tested. So now see the example of black box and white box test. Example is search something on Google by using keyword. In white box, by input to check and verify loops. So now we are going to see the types in black box and white box test. Functional testing. There are 3 types in both the testing. The first in black box testing is functional. Determine the output based on the function specification. That is, system is tested against the functional requirements. For example, user interface, APIs, database security, or client or server communications. The second type is non-functional. Testing performance, usability and reliability, etc. For example, we can say how many people can simultaneously log in into a software. The third is regression. Code change has not adversely affected existing features. So this is regression testing is nothing but a full or partial selection of already executed test cases which are re-executed to ensure existing functionalities work fine. So in white box, there are 3 types: path, loop and condition. Path Ensure that every path through a program has been executed at least once. That is, it involves execution of all possible blocks in a program and achieves maximum path coverage with the least number of test cases. The second type is loop. It is used to test the loops in the program. For example, for and while loops that loops in the program. Third, condition. Each one of the Boolean expression have been evaluated in this testing. So these are the difference between black box and white box testing. Thank you, friends.